Here is the solution to question 7 of homework 7. There are three problems to solve. Let's begin the first problem. Here's the solution. The first problem is finding the mean of gt. And because n1t and n2t are WSS, means that y stands stationary, and so we can get the mean of n1t equals to alpha and equals to constant. At the same time, the mean of the n2t equals to alpha 2 equals to constant. And because theta is uniformly distributed in 0 to 2 pi, so the density function of theta equals to 1 over 2 pi for theta is larger than 0, smaller than 2 pi, else at 0. So let's begin the question. The mean of the gt equals to the mean of the expression of gt, and we can through the distribution we can get this equation, and we know that the mean of n1t equals to alpha 1, and the mean of the n2t equals to alpha 2, and this one equals to this expression, and we know that this integral equals to 0, and this at the same way this equation equal to 0, so we can get the mean of gt equals to 0. And let's begin the second problem is finding the RZ. And we know that RZ T1 T2 equals to the mean of ZT1 times ZT2, and we can get this equation by the expression of ZT. So we can use the distribution, we can get these long equations. And because n1t and n2t are WSS, we can get R1 term equals to the mean of n1 t1 times n2 t2, and R2 tau equals to the mean of n2 t1 n2 t2, and tau equals to t1 minus t2, and so we can get RZ t1 t2 equals to this long equation. And this one we can do the formulas, alpha cosine alpha times cosine beta equals to cosine alpha plus beta plus cosine alpha minus cosine beta over 2. This formula to get this equation. At the same time, this equation can be get through this formula, and this equation can be get through this formula. So we can get the final expression, and this one can be cancelled. So we can get the final result is cosine of omega c tau over 2 times r1 tau plus r2 tau. And we can get this one depending on the tau instead of t1 or t2. So, and also the mean of gt equals to 0 equals to a constant, so gt is WSS. And let's begin the final problem is finding RZ0 if GT is WSS. As we know, GT is WSS, so we just do things to let tau equals to 0 and RZ0 equals to cosine omega c times 0 over 2 and times r1 0 plus r2 0, and we can get these final results. And that's all. Thank you.